In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subdomain in GoDaddy. Two methods. A subdomain is the part that comes before your main domain, like blog, yourdomain.com, or shop, yourdomain.com. We'll walk through how to add one inside your GoDaddy account, and I'll show you two common ways to point it. With an A record or with a CNAME record, start by signing into your GoDaddy account and heading to your dashboard. Open the profile menu in the top right, then choose My Products. In the Products area, find the Domain section and click Manage All so you can see every domain on your account. Pick the domain you want to use for your new subdomain. Once you've selected it, go to DNS to manage its DNS records. This is where all the routing rules for your domain live. Click Add New Record. You'll see a list of record types. Here's where you choose your method. Method 1 is an A record. Choose the A type if you have a specific server's IPv4 address to send traffic to. In the name field, enter only the subdomain label, such as blog or shop. GoDaddy will automatically attach your main domain to it. In the value field, enter the destination IPv4 address provided by your host or server. For TTL, the default setting is fine for most cases. It controls how long DNS resolvers cache the record. When everything looks correct, click Save to create the record. Method 2 is a CNAME record. Choose CNAME if you want your subdomain to point to another hostname instead of an IP, like app.yourservice.com. In name, again, enter just the subdomain label you want to create. In value, paste the target hostname exactly as your provider gave it. Don't use an IP address for a SNAME. Leave TTL at the default unless you've been instructed to change it, and then click Save. A quick tip, use either an A record or a SNAME for the same subdomain, not both, to avoid conflicts. A records are best when you control the server and have an IP. SNAMEs are ideal when a platform gives you a target hostname and may change the underlying IPs over time. After saving, DNS changes can take some time to propagate across the internet, often a few minutes, but it can be longer depending on caching. That's it. You've added a subdomain in GoDaddy using the method that fits your setup.